So in this taste testing, we have a couple of black ones. We've got black sweet cherry and black cherry, so we can compare those. And then Artisan purple Bumblebee, and then the Korean long. So.
Hello.
Welcome to yet another tomato taste testing with 4 different ones. Unfortunately, one of them, when we cut it open, looked a bit bad, so we have just only a little bite that we can take. We'll start with that one. It's called Korean long. It's a long one. Red. Thick skin, very meaty. Very small canals in it for the seeds and juice.
Maybe it's a bit sweet.
Yeah, it is. Sweet red.
Without the... like a red... this is a red tomato, but usually red tomato are acidic and sweet. This one seemed more sweet and not acidic.
Yeah, that's true. It was pretty good, despite most of it being bad and had to be cut out. Let's see, next we are going to compare 2 different black ones. We've got black cherry first, so we got plenty of those. And as it sounds, it's a black cherry, pearly black cherry. It's really good, and you immediately taste that it is black. Got that like earthy, herby kind of taste. It is a bit sweet.
Yeah, and it has the usual cherry tomato acidity.
It's really good.
It's a bit sweet, but it wouldn't be like a tomato that you have because you want it to be sweet. It's just slightly sweet.
Yeah. I think that's yours, or I had 2 tomatoes.
Normal black tomato taste.
Really good, fresh, yummy flavor. Skin's a little bit thick. And to follow it up, we're trying black sweet cherry. So I'm gonna assume that it tastes similar but sweeter. And well, it looks almost exactly the same, but it is not the same. Yep. It is sweeter. It is a bit different taste.
Yeah.
A little less earthy flavor in that one, more sweet. But you can still tell it's black.
Yeah, and it was similar to black cherry and black sweet cherry.
Yeah, they're very similar, obviously.
The black sweet cherry was a bit more sweet, a bit more like a red cherry.
Yeah.
They were both very black tomato, but you can even see in the seeds, the sweet cherry is a bit more red.
So I guess if you're more into the sweet red cherries but want to try a black, try the black sweet cherry. If you're just into that black tomato flavor, then I recommend black cherry, like if you need to grow a cherry tomato. And last but not least, maybe, we'll see, is Artisan Purple Bumblebee. And it is kind of, I mean, it resembles a black one a little bit, but it's actually like a dark red stripy one with green stripes, purplish kind of. Let's see.
It's more like paste.
Yeah.
Flesh. It's a lot of flesh.
Mm-hmm. So it does taste a little bit like a black tomato, but
yeah,
I think they're okay, maybe, but
it's a mild
yeah.
And like a lot of paste.
Mm-hmm. So less favorable texture on that one, I think.
I don't know if that kind is to make sauce and paste instead. I don't know.
Maybe. I know usually cherry tomatoes can't, well, they aren't usually used that way, but I guess if all you can grow are small tomatoes like that, maybe it works.
Maybe it's just if you like pasty tomatoes, but you want sweet tomatoes, cherry size, to just eat like that.
Yeah.
And it was good too.
Yeah, it was good. I mean, definitely
It was
recommend.
the least sweet out of all
You're
of
right,
them.
right. So that's a good note to make. So yeah, that was it for those 4. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.
Bye.